Okay, at work, our stroboscope broke, which is basically a flashing strobe. You can set the flash rate and measure it on a frequency counter. So I came up with the idea of doing both with a single Arduino, but because of the way the timer function works, I couldn't get it to read accurate. So what I came up with is basically a strober. The code is written for the strobe inside of here. This is an up and down, momentary up and momentary down. That'll increment it in 1 hertz, or 1 pulse per second rate. I'm taking the output off of one of the digital pins, running it into a MOSFET, and running a 10-watt LED. Coming off of there, that's off pin 4, coming off pin 7, which I have also cloned to the output of pin 4. Comes over, I wrote the code for a frequency counter on here, and has a gate time of 1 second. And so I'll go ahead and plug it in and show you how it works. By default, it starts out at a rate of 5 hertz, and you can see how bright the white 10-watt LED is. So that's default, 5 hertz. Let me bump this up, or actually, yep, bump it up. So then that's a rate of 10 hertz, and it's accurate to within less than 1%. So that's 10 hertz, 10 times per second, and I can go all the way up with this code all the way up to 247 flashes per second. So the strobing you see on there is basically this and the sampling rate of so that's basically at 28 hertz. So that's flashing. So I'll bump this up even any higher. It appears to be on, and that is actually flashing at 45 times per second. So if I reset this, it goes back to 5. And that's where we're at.